let's talk about what happened yesterday in Madhya Pradesh, because missing in action in Delhi making an appearance in Madhya Pradesh. There has been a massive political storm that has now erupted over Rahul Gandhi's rally in B.R. Ambedkar's hometown in Mhow in Madhya Pradesh. BJP has now leveled the allegation that Delhi wagers were promised 500 rupees to hold Congress party flags and attend Rahul Gandhi's rally. But after the rally, the NSUI workers who made that promise to them disappeared. Now, about 50 to 60 Delhi wagers reached the police station and filed a complaint against the Congress leaders. The police are now said to be probing the matter.
हमारे साथ नेशनल आया था हमको झंडा लेने के लिए। हमको बोला 3 बजे तक के लिए तुमको चलना है, सुबह 10 बजे से लेकर आ हमको। पेमेंट दिया नहीं, फोन उन्होंने बंद कर लिया। अच्छा, हम पता बोले झंडा मेरा ना आपको 500 रुपये मिलेंगे, लेकिन उन्होंने फोन बंद कर लिया। हम परेशान हो रहे, पैसा लाया वहाँ से, खाना भी नहीं दिया, खाना भी दूसरे से लिया। 50-60 जने हैं, 50-60 जने हैं।
Well, the BJP is now cornering the Congress over the alleged cash for Bheed scam, as the party has now claimed that this was the reality of the Congress. BJP even claimed that back in 2016, 2018 and 2020, the party made similar promises to gather crowd, for which 52 lakh payment apparently is still said to be pending. This is the counter that is now coming in from the BJP side, as they are now raising the allegation that 500 rupees per person was promised to gather more crowd to attend. It looked like a full house for Rahul Gandhi's rally. However, when it comes to the promise of paying up the money to the people there, mostly who were daily wage earners, it was refused. Mainly it was when it comes to the people who made them the promise apparently disappeared. This is when it comes to the complaints that have now been taken up by the daily wagers and have been taken up to the police as well, saying that the promise of giving them money was not fulfilled. Now, the BJP here is now clearly taking on when it comes to the Congress party, saying that this is cash for Bheed, as far as an artificial crowd that seems to have gathered to give an image of full house when it comes to this gathering of the Congress party that had taken place in Madhya Pradesh in the hometown of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which talked about saving the Samvidhan. However, when it comes to the Bheed there, that was manipulated and it was artificially created in a way that people were offered the promise of giving money to them to attend the rally, and when the rally is over, they will get the requirement payment. However, that did not happen. Now, the complaints that are now coming in from the daily wagers say that 500 rupees was apparently promised to them, and that promise has not been fulfilled. They say that mainly the people who made the promise to them were workers of the NSUI. However, their main job was to hold the Congress party flags while Rahul Gandhi speaks on stage. And after, when it comes to the BJP is now leveling the allegation, calling it as cash for Bheed scam.
कांग्रेस ने मध्य प्रदेश में जय बापू, जय भीम, जय संविधान नाम की रैली रखी थी, जिसमें राहुल गांधी, खड़गे जी आए थे। खड़गे जी ने तो किस किस प्रकार की अपशब्द और गाली वाली बातें बोली प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को, पर यहां पर भी स्कैम कर गई कांग्रेस। सोचिए, रैली में भी जहां सत्ता में नहीं है वहां पर स्कैम करती है कांग्रेस, और ये स्कैम है कैश फॉर भीड़ स्कैम। जी हां, भीड़ लाने के लिए 500 रुपए का वादा किया गया था गरीब मजदूरों को। वो गरीब मजदूर गए वहां पर भीड़ बढ़ाने के लिए, पर जैसे रैली समाप्त हुई, बिना 500 रुपए दिए वहां के कांग्रेस के नेता वहां से चले गए और उनको धोखा दे दिया। मतलब एक तो राहुल गांधी को सुनने के लिए, कांग्रेस की इन बातों को सुनने के लिए कोई बिना पैसे आने को तैयार नहीं है। कैश देना पड़ रहा है भीड़ लाने के लिए, और वो कैश देने में भी, वो पैसा देने में भी जिस प्रकार का स्कैम कांग्रेस ने किया है।
Anila Singh of the BJP is with us. Good morning to you, Anila ji. What do you have to say as far as this artificial crowd gathering that has been done on part of the Congress? This is an allegation being leveled by the BJP to show that there is a full house while Rahul Gandhi was speaking.
My Ram Ram to all. So everything about Congress is fake and confused. That is why, they are deteriorating day by day. And everybody knows that in 2024 elections also, they had promised people, especially women, that if you are going to vote for Congress party, you will be given this particular amount of money. But the reality is, when women went to their office, they stood in a queue and they never got any money. And here also we see that they were promised money to listen to Rahul Gandhi and they were never paid. But Mr. Gandhi and his party should understand one thing, that artificial thing is artificial. So you are not growing organically. And today is a time of organic. So if you are not growing organically, then I think he should check his facts. And people of India, they are rejecting him and his party, and there are reasons for it. And it is one more nail in the coffin of Congress party. Now people understand that yes, whatever they say, they do not fulfill their promise.
All
So
right.
people from other states also, they are going to take an example from it, that if they are promising something, they are not going to deliver.
Well, that is what the daily wagers have to say, because they say that 500 rupees was promised to them and nobody turned up to give them that required payment, and they have now taken up the complaint with the police. Thank you very much, Anila, for joining in. Well, that's the BJP reaction coming in. Now let's shift focus to our adjoining state of Uttar Pradesh, because still now,